Hello. Oh, I'm very dark. Hang on. Am I darker now? Is that going to be worse? Right. I haven't done a stream in ages, and I'm going to do a very, very simple stream to get me back into the habit, which is going to involve a sort of cleaning up here. Alright, clear. And then I've got a terminal window. I mean, where would we without it? Alright, so, but before I move that, and things are full screen, they shouldn't be. There we go. Right, before I do anything, I'm going to SSH into a particular server. So this is my file for working out how various whitewater rider sprints is going, and that's great. Watchtower. What I want to add to it is some information about who's paying for each one, on the basis that my invoicing is not as quick as it could be. So I have SSH'd into the relevant thing. I don't know if that keeper imprint does anyone any good, but it's not going to massively mess with my life. So all this information, or most of this information, is in list.csv, and that's just a literal list of things that have happened. So what I want to do is, let's do a test of how much this gets screwed up if it doesn't work. See, that's a HH, 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 that's not, is it? That's a YS. I think that's fair to say. Now, if I refresh this, PHP, does it go nuts? It does not. That's good, isn't it? Alright, so that's some sample data. This is literally who's meant to be paying for it. But I now know that that's an option. Alright, so if I go to index.php, what's an index? Some very ugly stuff. So this is a list of sprints. I'm going to move this over here. Pane. So I've got table. Action, total, that shouldn't say action, should it? That should say live. For start. And let's make that say last update. Now, here's a thing, PHP truncate string. Substring, string, 0 to 10, fine. Let's see if I can do that then. Oh, this is a straight include, isn't it? Can I put an @include inside a thing? PHP @include inside. I wonder if I can do that. Let's try it. Although let's also check out what I want then is Watchtower LF 2019. That's how you spell L. I mean, let's try it, right? I mean, how bad could it be? Okay, it can be pretty bad. It can be pretty bad. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. Alright. I'll deal with that later, a different thing. I'd like to also put commas in things. I think the new version does put commas in things, but it's close enough. Status active. There's a lot I can change on this, isn't there? There's a lot. Alright, let's start with this one. Owner. Oops. So that table has more rows than you want, doesn't it? Oh no, because there's a TR here, isn't there? So let's get rid of that TR. Echo TD slash TD slash. Oh, because there's a TR there, isn't there? That's what's going on. Alright. Just to be clear, it's liveness equals dot. Oh no, it's not. It's $sign data 1. Is that correct? Someone's at my door. Alright, perfect. I'll get it.